Right, we've had this alight for probably 3 hours now. It's just perfect for cooking. I've just thrown a few bits of wood on every now and then. It keeps it nice and hot. Now I'm going to talk to you about grilling with the Morso Forno. We're going to use the Tuscan grill, which is already in there, and we're going to grill some fish, which I picked up today, and they're fresh from Brixham, beautiful gurnard, and we're going to do a couple of vegetable kebabs. Well, here's our gurnard. They're all prepared. I've cut the fins off. You want to do that because otherwise they burn and char in the barbecue. It doesn't add to the flavour of your food. Coarse salt, turn them over. Coarse salt in the guts. Mind you, the guts have all been taken out, of course, and nicely washed. Be generous with the oil. Yeah, well, I've been putting the odd bit of wood on. It's nice and warm in there. Just perfect for grilling a bit of fish. And pop them on the old grill. Now we're going to, I think we've just about got room to get these little kebabs on there as well, on the side. One of the nice things is you just hear it all sizzling in there. With the Morso, because the heat is coming off the cast iron as well, you don't even have to turn them. So they'll be doing nicely in 5–10 minutes. Okay, these fish are done now. I'm going to take them out. Well, these are perfectly cooked now, and you can check that just by putting a knife in there and pulling the flesh away from the bone, and they are just perfect. And there we go. And of course, before a good squeeze of lemon just adds that extra zest, needless to say.